Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ian's Drone, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on the Quickshot modes with the DJI Mini 2. So right now I am recording on the drone as well as right here on the camera so that you guys can see me the whole time. First thing that you're going to want to do is make sure to switch the camera mode to video mode. So you just click here, hit video. I have it set to 4K 30, and you can't enter Quickshot mode until you've already taken off, so I'm going to do that right now. All right, so we've taken off. I've got the drone right over there. You guys can see me because I'm recording, and we're going to enter the Quickshot mode. So what you do is you hit the little thing that looks like a film strip, and then you go to Quickshot. And here it shows you a little example of some of the quick shots. You can see there are 4 Quickshot modes. There's Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Helix. Now, because we're in my pretty busy backyard here, there's a lot going on. I'm only going to be able to show you 2 today, the Droney and the Rocket, but this will give you an idea of how you can access the other Quickshot modes, and it all pretty much works the same. Just keep in mind, if you're going to do Circle or Helix, be in an open area, not right next to a house like I am, because it won't end well. So we're going to start with a Droney because that's like the most popular one to do. And I'm going to set the distance to, wow, look at this. Holy crap, that's 390 feet. Let's do something a little bit closer, like 210 feet. How about that? So I've got the drone set up right here. I've selected 210 feet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into here and we're going to draw me. Now, sometimes the drone can see you, but I'm in like this dark, shadowy area, so you can do what I just did and draw right on the screen of the subject that you want to capture. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to hit start, and it's going to take this Droney. So when you hit start, it'll do 3, 2, 1, and then it'll start flying backwards, and it'll start recording for you. You don't have to do anything. So I just hit go, and there we go. We're zooming out. It also shows you how many, like the percentage of what is complete. So as you can see there goes the drone. 70% complete right now. Look at that. Phoenix is just beautiful. A beautiful desert city. And it hit 100. So now what it's going to do is it's going to return back to the exact point where it started, which is really cool. So like this is really easy to do if you're like a beginner with drones. It's not difficult at all. All you do is hit a button basically, and you can get a really cool looking drone shot. So here it comes back in. There we go. So it came back to pretty much where it started. It was a little bit lower, I think, but that's okay. I mean, it returned to pretty much the same exact point where it came from. So now let's try a rocket. So I'm going to hit the rocket option here, and I'm going to send it up to 250 feet, because why not? That'll be fun. So now I'm just going to click on the side here. I'm going to back up a little bit. There we go. Select the subject. So again, just like last time, I highlighted myself, and now we're just going to hit start, and it's going to go straight up like a rocket. Here we go. So again, this is a really fun one to do, especially if you get like a cool top-down perspective. It might lose me in the darkness, but maybe not. Wow. It's only 50% complete. It's pretty awesome. So just like that, it's super easy to take Dronies. I mean, they're really fun to do, and I know some people are like, screw the automated mode, I don't trust it, I'm gonna do it manual, which you certainly can do. I mean, there's nothing against that, but it's just easy for the beginner to hit a button. So this is pretty cool. Oh my God, I couldn't see it for a second. I'm like, did it fly away? But no, I can see it. It's just so small. It's like, I already have trouble seeing my Mavic 2 Pro, so like looking up and looking for this one, it's like, where is it? kind of scary, but let's see. So it's not tracking me as it's coming down, so I feel like it lost me, but whoa, that came down super fast. So yeah, it definitely lost me, but it still came back to where it started. So that's really cool that you can trust it. There I am. And as you can see now, well, it disappeared, but there was a little like plus symbol. There it is. That means that the drone can see me. And if I actually hit that, it like knows that I'm a person. It's really cool. So, and it looks like in the Quickshot mode, it switched it to 1080p 30. So keep in mind, it might do that. I thought I had it set at 4K, but maybe the Quickshot modes are all done in 1080 for some reason. But yeah, guys, that's how easy it is to do a Quickshot mode with the DJI Mini 2. For any of you guys that are new to DJI drones, they all offer this feature, but I wanted to go over it on the Mini 2 for all you new drone users out there. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that it ranks higher in the algorithm. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.